We're now going to look at editing your navigation. When you're editing your navigation, this allows you to add new pages to your site and restructure the hierarchy of the pages. So I am going to go back up to the header, and I am going to select the lock icon. I'm going to go down to the navigation that we edited last time, and I'm going to select the pencil icon. So now we have our About Me page, which is what we're currently on, and then an assignments page. I am now going to add a new page down here at the bottom. I'm going to call it assignment number 1, and then I'm going to take the little hamburger icon here and move it just slightly to the right, which indents it up underneath. Okay, and then I'm going to add another one. Okay, and indent that, and then I want add another top level page. Okay, and then I'm going to select Save. And so my navigation has changed. I have About Me, I have Assignments, which now has 2 drop downs, and then I have a References page. Okay, so that is editing your navigation.